Word on the street is this is your first sew-in.
Yes.
This really is your first sew-in?
No. I was just going with it.
Right. Welcome to Chic Academy. I'm Mercedes, also known as Sadie Styles, and today we have something special. I've got Shay in the chair with me, and we're going to be installing 2 of my raw Indian hair extensions. You ready for the transformation?
So ready. I'm so excited.
Oh, me too. All right, before we get started, let's just talk about this hair. You hold on to this. Raw Indian hair is unprocessed, which means it's no chemicals, no dyes, just in its natural form.
I love this. This is so soft. Honestly, it's like the softest hair.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, I love this hair too. I just feel like it just gives a seamless install whenever I'm using it on clients.
Yes.
And you don't have to do much for your hair to blend with this.
And it's so full too. Like usually like the bundles, they be a little skimpy, but like I'm surprised. Like
literally like from root to end, it's like you get that thickness with the hair. Yeah.
I love this. I'm excited.
Yeah, me too. Okay, let's get started. To start, I'm prepping Shay's hair by blow drying it smooth. This ensures a flat base for the install and helps the extensions blend seamlessly. Always use a heat protectant to maintain hair health and shine. For a flawless sew-in, the foundation is everything. I've braided her hair down, keeping the braids flat and secure for a natural look. This also protects her natural hair and makes the install more comfortable and long-lasting. Make sure to not braid too tightly. Comfort is key for a long-lasting style. Now I'm sewing in 2 bundles of my signature raw Indian hair. This hair is unprocessed, meaning it blends beautifully and moves naturally. For the most seamless look, I'm doubling the wefts at the back for fullness and stacking them closer at the crown for a more natural fall. I always brush from the ends, work your way up to avoid tangling. This helps maintain the integrity of the wefts and keeps the hair looking flawless. For curling, I'm flat ironing the leave out to create a flawless blend with the extensions. Matching the texture is key for a natural look, especially when working with raw Indian hair. I'm using smooth, controlled passes to keep the leave out sleek and frizz-free. Don't forget to add some layering just for body and movement. To style the hair, I'm using my Twist Me Up 1.5-inch curling iron. This tool is perfect for achieving the blown out look with soft, voluminous waves. I'm curling away from the face for a glamorous, effortless finish that flows naturally. To maintain this look, wrap the hair at night and use a satin bonnet to minimize frizz and breakage. And here's the final look. Seamless, luxurious, and absolutely effortless. With the right care, this install can last up to 3 to 4 months. Okay, Shay, are you ready to see the final look?
I am. Okay. Oh, I am obsessed. It's giving everything.
Yes, it looks just so natural, effortless, you know, and then you can wear it where it's like pushed over a little bit, like real sexy like, or you can have it a little bit out of your face if you wanted to.
Yes,
but I love this length on you.
Thank you. Yes, I loving everything about it. I love the fullness, the volume.
Yes, and we only use 2 bundles. Yeah, this came out exactly how I imagined.
I'm obsessed.
So this is sewing number what?
3. It's sewing number 3.
Okay, another day, another slay. I want to say thank you, Shay, for joining me today.
Thanks for having me.
I'm glad that you trusted me to do your sewing.
Yes, I'm
and
obsessed.
We're gonna do this again.
And y'all better subscribe so y'all can see the
y'all
next
better
time.
Like, subscribe, you know, so you could be up to date with everything that we have going on in the future. Make sure that you follow Shay on Instagram, on her socials. You want to give them your social media?
Yes, it's Shay Danielle on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube.
All right, bye.
Bye.